Sanitex Cleaning Cloth. Sanitex Durable Hand Cleaning Cloths. Reusable cleaning wipes for home and kitchen. Assorted color cleaning cloths. Used for wet wiping of tables, kitchen platforms, fridges, etc. Carry the power of cleanliness in your pocket with this cloth. Ideal for use on hands and face. Perfect for on-the-go use, these are travel-size cloths. They are the ideal cleaning cloth for a thorough clean. It has higher durability than any other ordinary cleaning cloth. These cleaning cloths can be used virtually anywhere in your home. Great to use for frying pans, countertop, and dishes. Paper towels seem downright silly after keeping these colorful clothes sink-side. Convenient and portable. Very reasonable price in the market. Color-coded so you can use one at the sink and another for counters. Experience the versatility of Sanitex clothes. Sanitex clothes are your solution for effective cleaning. Versatile cleaning power. An easy grip shape that is comfortable to hold. You can easily reuse these cleaning cloths by hand washing them. Makes cleanup fast and efficient. Whether traveling, Sanitex clothes are your compact guardians. Surface recommendation for pour wood, glass, plastic, and stone. This cleaning cloths are great for cleaning soda. Elevate your daily routine with Sanitex. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.